She just pepper sprayed me for no reason in my house.
I can't keep following me.
No, I ain't following you
got a
nowhere.
gun.
No, I don't have a gun. You really doing this lying stuff again? I'm recording everything.
Please hurry.
Yeah, please hurry, because she's crazy. Please hurry, she's crazy.
Thank you.
Please hurry up, she's crazy.
I can't keep following.
No, I'm not. I'm upstairs.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is the classic scenario. Domestic disagreement, woman calls the cops, pretends to be the victim. Notice he said he got pepper spray. Notice she's on the phone with 911 with all the drama and the fake crime. Notice she said he had a gun. That's to paint the narrative so when they show up, they'll show up guns drawn, ready for action. Get on the ground! Get on the ground!